Listen, hooker. Subscribe, hit that like button. Have fun. Watch the video.
He'll say your engine too old, and we don't fix that. But you've been in business 30 years, according to your sign, and my engine's not 30 years old, and it's a Mercury. And you mean tell me you have forgotten how to fix it? Come on, man. I believe he's sort of on the shady side with certain types of people, if you know what I mean. Well, my friend took his boat there before I could tell him about this guy. And he kept it a week or so, and then he called him up and said, hey, your trim ain't working. It won't go up and down. We'll charge $650. And my friend said, what? So I had already told him, I said, I fixed the trim on my boat, and it's not that hard even if it's the hydraulic motor. It's not that hard to fix, okay? So basically it's not that hard to fix, I put it that way. So I don't want to mislead nobody. I'm not a mechanic expert, but I'm a do-it-yourselfer. And something like that you could do without getting yourself into a whole lot of trouble and money spent. So I said, I looked at his engine, and I said, you need probably a relay. Start with something simple. You got two relays, one for up, one for down, and it's some marine parts online that I use. You can look up your engine, get the original part for it, and they'll send it to you within a week, and you can put it on. It's plug and play. It's not, you ain't got to use no screwdriver, no wrench, anything. Just unplug it just like you would your coffee pot and plug in the new relay. Simple as that. Well, he took my word. He went and got his boat after the man told him about the money, and we ordered the part for him and put it on. Less than $55. Really was less than, with tax it was a little bit, about $52, but the parts itself was less than $50 for the two relays and the original equipment. Pay attention, friends. Pay attention. Save yourself some money. If you don't want to do it yourself, or you feel you can't do it with certain things on the outside, I ain't talking about rebuild your motor now. I'm talking about things you can plug and play on your outboard engine. Fuses you could change. Come on, be sensible. All right. Let's try to beat inflation. Check this video out. Yeah, YouTube. Today we out with our friend's boat. See why the trim won't go up and down. Trying to troubleshoot it and fix it if we can, figure it out. This is the battery compartment to his boat. And he got a bass boat. And you can see that he been updating it with the beat up seats. He got new seats in his joint. It looks good, huh? Yeah, seat in the back, new. Two seats. He got him a new low range, Lowrance rather, fish finder. Not using that old one anymore, so he's upgrading the boat. Got him a new cover system put on there. He got his bait cooler, keep his bait alive. Looking good. So what we're gonna do now is take this battery hook the battery up, so we can get some power. See why it won't go up and down. So now we got to clean out this part where these relays.
Turns back cleaner.
Relay went out. Yeah, I got some cleaner, electric cleaner. And we can see us all gummed up.
Mm-hmm.
So that may be stopping. Mike could just clean them into work. I don't know. But we're going to try both.
There you go.
Yeah. Blaze
Turn back cleaner.
relay went out. Yeah, I got some cleaner, electric cleaner.
Okay.
And we can see us all gummed up.
Mm-hmm.
So that may be stopping. Mike could just clean them into work. I don't know. But we're going to try both.
There you go.
Yeah.
Sis, check this out.